So as of now, there is no positive lead.
No candidate found.
So yeah,
Screening down, no candidate found.
yeah. I'm going home. Let's see anything happens. So, the thing is, like when you are outside, because in Kashmir it has been like like in Kashmir people prefer to marry within Kashmir only. Like it's not like Kashmiri will marry to someone from Delhi or so that's why like you altogether have like limited options. Then you are far from your home. You're not in Kashmir itself. So then things become even a little difficult. So yeah, but if you're like open to non-Kashmiris, then I think it's easy. So, but if you, yeah, they basically they will be open, but I don't want to force them. So I want to kind of keep them happy. So it will be little. I feel like it will be heavy for them. I'm not sure though, but so I don't want to kind of make them unhappy about it. So,
Came to see me. First thing, like I never saw my dad being that old.
I see.
Like short span of time, I mean the age declined so fast.
Yeah,
So when I went Nepal last time, I mean when I saw my dad, I'm like, oh my god, it feels so bad.
that's true.
Yeah, I can't explain like.
I can totally like relate
Mom,
to this.
mom is still fine. My mom is still okay. She doesn't look that much old. Yes, my dad, I'm like, oh no, I couldn't imagine it. And when he came here to stay with me for 2-3 weeks, I had a very different feeling stuff. Seeing them being old.
I can totally relate. Because the point you mentioned, the drastic change, so that I have observed it with my father especially. My mother is relatively young, but my father, I have observed the same thing, especially from past like 3-4 years.
And then I feel like do everything. I wish I could do this, I wish I could do that. I mean, oh my god, it's exploding. It's a different thing. So maybe in that way you just wanted to have, I was trying to link these two stuff.
Yeah, that's true because
You don't want them to.
yeah, exactly. That's also in my mind. Yeah, that's in my mind.
These steps really remind me of my hometown.
Really?
Literally, yes.
See, it goes like
We
this.
have a small, nearby my home, there is a small hill, mountain, whatever you can see, and it has a steps that leads to the temple. And there is another nearby that, there is another hill or mountain, as also the steps and little bit of the trail. That is to Buddha, what is it called? Gumba, I don't know, like Buddha's temple.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Hello?
How do the people get all the way down?
Please, first off. caso, sim, tu posso. Não faci de putem să facem acum să mă tot să vadă. Auzi, nu mă coam. Auzi. Auzi. Am mă puțin, te bătăiește. Da, dă-te pisarea acolo. O poză foarte smișcă.
Stai frumoasă.
Gata. Acum pune și noi jos. Ține la tonul ăsta.
Kids are doing good?
Bine, haide pe aia să dă figuri.
So whenever they are like having I used to say them like, if you guys are being naughty, I'm going to California. So California is like Bay Area to my answers. So they are like, so this time also they felt like maybe they were not behaving good.
Acum primele de
Fine.
aici. Ia, hai că ajung. Hai să vedem. Da. Hai.
How is the weather tomorrow? Sunny also, is it?
Yeah, tomorrow is better than today.
Tomorrow is better. Nice.